Hello everybody, and welcome back to how to build a B-1 bomber 10 minutes at a time. You need to watch the old finger there. Get my name mold. Alright people, I told you I'd show you what was going on here with the inside stuff. First of all, I want to show you these marks I made on my mold. Okay, see them scribes? There's one there, one on that end. One here, one on that end down there. This is the one that's the most important, alright? This is the one, I got to get that spar in the same place as that last one in order for my jig to work. So basically what I'll do is I'll just line my straight edge back up on my marks. This one here is really not that important. Not as much as this front one. So now we come over here and put some glue on this stick. Move it around here, get that big old feet out of the way. Alright. Take me some 5-minute epoxy. Can y'all see? Can y'all see? Give me some 5-minute epoxy. Not a whole lot. Give me some cotton flock. Just enough to glue this stick down. I can put another bead on it with my pastry bag if I need it. Now, which side do I glue? This side right here.
As the Soviet pincers strengthen their stranglehold on Paulus and Chuikov tightens the noose from within, the German leader is tortured by regret.
It's almost impossible to insult Paulus's position. You've taken what is acknowledged to be the best fighting formation of the German army across the plains all the way to Stalingrad. You've had 300,000 people under command.
I need a whole lot. I need to saturate this.
You are now
You know what I mean?
the what ifs.
You know what I mean there, Vern? Alright, where's my paper towel going to clean up my spreader? Say paper towel, I'll just tear a little corner off. Get my spreader right quick. Okay, and then no big rush about this piece. We got 5 minutes before that's going to dry. So instead of just holding it in place for 5 minutes, a lot of times I'll just hold on to it for a minute or two. Let that epoxy kind of gel up. Just a freckle. Make sure my straight edge is in the right place. Got all my other stuff ready. Got this one doubled. Pretty much got it sanded to fit. But see, as I move my straight edge, I've got to get this one first. I don't have to, but stand her up straight. Bam. I want to put a whole lot of force in that center. We want it to kind of rest there. Got it sanded pretty good to where she fits. Remember, this is just to keep this stuff from crushing.
Hitler acknowledges Paulus's sacrifice by making him Field Marshal. But Paulus knows what this promotion meant.
No German field marshal against or having lost the defeat.
I'll hold this for 5 minutes.
In a last cynical
Probably put something on in here. But this one, like I say, this one ain't that important. Just a little extra strength in the back. But now, I can't glue this one on until that one sets up. This one's ready to glue on too. I got my carbon plates glued on back here. Got both of them done. Now I'll put a thicker piece right here. So I'm going to drill and tap into that. Then after this sets up, what I'll do is I'll take my other piece and I'll set it on top of here and make sure I don't have to do no sand and make sure my piece fits. And sand it if I need to. Should be pretty close. I just made templates off my other ones. So y'all wanted to see this part, so here it is. Let's watch this glue set together. Almost there. Love that 5-minute epoxy. That's why I got to do this back one first, because I won't be able to see it with this one glued in. That's why I did that. So now I can take my mold and set it on there, and I can see into that back one and see if I need to sand anywhere. That is why I did that. I knew there was a reason. Okay, that's a little bit enough. Let me get this out of the way for a minute and hold this stuff out of the way. Back you guys up a minute. That needs trimmed a little. The rest of this looks cool. Yeah, the rest of that's alright. Now I have a little bit on that tip. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit on that tip. Take some of that. I knew that was going to be too high. I knew that was going to be too high. So it's right here. So let's cut that off there, shall we? Well, this episode's about over, folks. So, tune back in to some more Bob TV, and we'll show you how to put these stabs together. Same Bob time, same Bob station.